Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting. I also do saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. And I share my investment journey of stocks and crypto with you guys as well. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys what we are doing for our staycation, as the summer holidays in the UK's are very long and I don't want to be breaking the bank. And since this is a savings channel, I would like to show you guys how we are saving money over the summer holidays. I don't know about where you guys live, but the summer holidays is the longest holiday of the year for the kids in the UK, and it's a whole 6 weeks. That is a very long time to keep kids entertained and not to lose your sanity as well. So this year we decided we'll do a staycation, and I want to share what we are doing with you guys. Maybe you can get some ideas for your kids and some ideas of what you can do on this staycation. Or if you're going away, you can take some of these ideas with you as well, so that you can enjoy your vacation and don't always have to end up spending money. So first off, we decided to split up our holidays so we don't have to use the full 6 weeks of holidays, as we don't have enough holidays for that. And that would mean that me and my husband would take our holidays separately, which is not great if you want to spend time as a family. So what we did is we took our first week of holiday all together, and then we have split up our weekend, so we have a long weekend, having a Friday and a Monday off for the whole summer holidays. So that means there's a lot of time we can do and plan things in, and that also brings down our childcare costs, so it means we have more money to spend on the times we are off and don't have to pay out a massive lump sum on childcare as well. As we are planning to go out some days to spend money and go to nice theme parks, and other days we are planning to do things at home or go out where it's not a lot of money or local entertainment that's free. It's going to help us bring down the cost for the summer holidays and ensure we have a great time as well. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue, as this will help me with the YouTube algorithm, and I would appreciate your support a lot. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And definitely remember to ring the bell. So first off, we decided on having a look at where we would like to go and see how we can save a bit of money on those days out. So first off, we had a look at which 2 for offers you can find. So that means me and my daughter will be going out as a 1 pay and 1 go in free. And my husband will come in as well. So that means we are saving 1 ticket of entry into the theme park. Other options we've had a look at is booking online, because if you are booking online ahead of time, you usually can save anything from 10 to 20% on the price, which is really a great saving and can help you have more money that you can spend on the day when you're at the theme park, or if you want to use that for any takeaways or anything when you come home in the evening. So then we also decided we'd like to spend some time at the beach. So we'll drive through to Skegness and spend the day on the beach, where the only cost for us would be if we get lunches or drinks, as we are not planning to spend anything there, just enjoying the day on the beach as a family, building some sandcastles, playing in the water and just getting a tan and relaxing for the day. But there's also a nice inland sea where we can go, where there's a nice beach that we can spend the day on that is not too far away from us, and it only costs £5 per person to get in. So that's not very expensive for us, which means it's another day we can spend on the beach if we don't want to drive all the way to the seaside, and we can still have some fun building sandcastles on the land beach, which is really nice as well. And for the other days, depending on the weather, we might be going for walks on the canal and going to look for the swans or ducks to go feed them. We'll also have a look at the local parks there where we can take Cindy to go and play, and also take Luna for nice long walks. So that would be nice. And then we have like cash flow and games we can play at home. So we will have board game days where we have finger foods and just spend the whole day together as a family, just enjoying it. And then, as we are a gaming family, we also spend some time playing the PlayStation, playing games where all three of us can play together. Of course, we do like playing Diablo together. And since my daughter did so well in school and she finished off her primary school, going on to secondary school, we bought her a VR for the PlayStation 4. And we'll all be playing the VR games together, as you need one with a headset and the rest plays with the remotes. So this is going to be a nice experience, and we all make turn playing on the headset. This is really great. It's a nice time we spend together as a family, and it's also a very inexpensive way of enjoying the holidays together. And lastly, we also have some arty craftsy days where I'll be taking out all the sand art and things like that that me and my daughter will be doing together. So it's going to be really nice long holiday, even though it's a staycation. We won't be going out and spending money on holidays. We'll rather save that money and stretch it out over the 6 weeks so we can end up doing a lot more and having a lot more fun over the summer holidays, and it won't be so stressful for us or for Cindy. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.